Yeah. You all right?
Yeah.
My boy B, he spent some time in prison.
Yes, sir.
Gang life.
Yes, sir.
Been shot 10 times.
Been shot 10 times.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Camera close to the rod right there. Yep. Yep. Grab that line. Yep.
Oh, it's not clear.
Right there, right there. Hold on. Three fingers up under there, and then lay your thumbs across your teeth. Come on, grab them like that.
Bro,
Show the camera.
you're not playing with me, man. You're not playing.
You got to give him a kiss for good luck.
There you go. Let's go. That's awesome.